Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to reset the all-time distance in the Speedometer application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right, and then look for the all-time distance button. And if you want to reset your kilometers, just click on the reset button next to it, and the numbers will be set back to 0. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.